Hello, my name is Kevin Garcia, and this is a podcast for my Fundamentals of Physics class at FOP University. For this podcast, I will be demonstrating Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Now, to demonstrate, I will be using these three games: Jack and Daxter, Jack 2, and Jack 3, just so you know. Okay, so first I will be demonstrating Newton's law that states that an object at rest will remain at rest. For that, I'm going to stack the three games one on top of the other, and I'm going to remove the middle game. And when I do, that the Jack 3 game will not move and instead will fall into the Jack and Daxter game because the force of my hand will only be affecting the Jack 2 game. Now, it's out. Now, as you can see, it's out a little bit, but that's just so I can get a good grip on it. Alright? And here we go. As you can see, I moved the Jack 2 game while the Jack 3 game stayed exactly where it was and simply fell onto the Jack and Daxter game. Alright. That proves that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. Now I will prove that an object in motion will remain in motion. Now, first I will use this wallet as sort of a blockade, and once again the three games will be stacked one on top of the other. I am going to move them all at the same time, and the wallet will block the Jack and Daxter game, which will cause the Jack 2 and Jack 3 game to move up, which will cause the Jack and Daxter game to stop, while the Jack 2 and Jack 3 game will keep moving. Alright, and here we go. Alright, now as you can see, the wallet did stop the Jack and Daxter game. It moved a little bit, but that's just because the Jack 2 game hit a little bit. Now, as you can see, while the Jack and Daxter game stopped, the Jack 2 game kept moving, and while the Jack 2 game stopped, the Jack 3 game kept moving. That is because an object in motion will remain in motion. So because I only stopped the Jack and Daxter game, the Jack 2 and Jack 3 game kept moving. Alright. That proves, once again, Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object in motion will remain in motion, and an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. Thank you.